This research tip will show you how using search limiters can help you in your research. So what are search limiters and why would you want to use them? Limiters let you narrow the focus of your search so that the information that comes back is going to be limited according to the values that you selected. Every database and library catalog has some sort of limiters. You even have this in Amazon or Google as well. Examples include full text, academic peer-reviewed, publication date. Limiters can be applied ahead of the search process by using advanced search or after the search process with a basic search. So in Bearcat Search, you have the option of doing a basic or an advanced search. So if you do a basic search for your keywords, you're going to come up with this limiters list on the left-hand side, and you can select the ones that apply to what you're needing. So if you're wanting to find where it's available and limit that, you can do that. You have the subject, creator, that creation date or publication date, and so on and so forth. If you do the advanced search option, you can also input the type of material you want, the language, and then maybe the date range of when the material was actually published. In Academic Search Complete, which is our most broad-ranging database that we have, you also have the option of a basic and advanced search. On the left-hand side, you'll find your limiters once you've entered your search terms, and you can limit to full text, which means you get the full article available to read immediately. You can have the database do the work for you and find your peer-reviewed journal articles. You can also update the publication date range to one that fits your needs. And then there are other limiters on the left-hand side that you may want to take a look at as well. If you use the advanced search option, again, you enter your search terms as you would before, but then you can go ahead and select your limiters before you start your search. So it's going to go ahead and narrow it down for you. For full text, scholarly peer-reviewed journals, you could update the publication date, publication type, and so on and so forth. Remember, if you need research help, ask a librarian. That's what we're here for.